Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix the minimum volume being too loud on your iPhone 16 Pro or 16 Pro Max. If you find that even the lowest volume is too loud, follow these steps to lower it even further. So let's get started. First of all, you have to check your volume controls. Normally you just adjust the volume up and volume down buttons on the side. However, even at the lowest settings, some users find it too loud, especially for music and videos. So the next step is update to the latest iOS version. To do it, open settings, click onto general, then you have to look for software update and tap onto it. Make sure you are running on iOS 18.2 or the newer one. If an update is available, install it before proceeding. Adjust the volume level. So to do it, open settings and go to sounds and haptics. Click on it and then scroll down, search for volume limit, then tap onto it and click on limit maximum volume to around 30 to 20% according to your choice, and that's it. Now your problem is solved. If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe button for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video.